Let's move on and create the project element. I'm going to divide this element in two parts: project left, this one, and project right, this one. I'm going to create div class project and div class project left, div class project right. Now, what do we have here on the left side? Project title, project buttons. These buttons are supposed to control the project. Add new task, edit the project, and delete the project. And here we have list of all the tasks for this project. Now, on the right side, on the first line here, we have month, and on the second line we have days. Now, for each task we print a progress indicator and initials of each person assigned to this task. Also, right side of project element should have a scroll bar because it is a timeline and it is supposed to be scrollable. Now, class project width 100%, background color F7, F7, F7. I'm going to need display flex here, and I'm going to define some margin top 30 pixels. Now here, the left side is supposed to be fixed. It's going to have 400 pixels width. Now we need div class title, project title, here project left, title, width 100%, height 60 pixels, line height also 60 pixels, background color 02A 3B1. Okay, color white. I need to align text center, and let's try this. Okay, looks good. Let's just adjust font size to 20 pixels. Now the next element, project buttons. Div class project buttons, and I need 3 buttons here, button 1, 2 and 3. Plus sign, X sign, and edit sign. Let's check this. Looks good. Now we have to adjust CSS. Now we need project left, project buttons, width 100%, height 60 pixels, and I need background color 43C 9D5. Let's check this. Okay. Now let's adjust buttons. Now height 40 pixels, margin 10 pixels, background color 2AA 3AD. Let's check this. Okay, we need to get rid of the border none. Okay, border radius 3 pixels. Okay, and I'm going to add some padding here. 0 pixels, 10 pixels. Okay, I have 3 buttons here. Maybe we should add 0 pixels, 0 pixels, 10 pixels. Okay, looks good. Now, color, white. Fine. And now we need to define some hover settings of this element. Let's copy this line. We need to change background color to 8B1BD. Now, let's move on and create this element here. Div class task list. And let's add new class here in CSS. Oops, left task list. First of all, background color. EAE, EEB. That's the color I'm gonna use. It's invisible yet. And I'm gonna need line height 45 pixels. I'm going to use unordered list UL and several LIs, list items. Now, each item has title and delete button. Okay. First task, second task, third task, for example. Let's check this. Okay. Looks like we need to get rid of the default margin and padding and so on. Project left, task list, UL, margin 0, padding 0, and list style type none. Okay, looks good. Now let's move on and create. Actually, let me write task list UL LI. I'm going to add some padding left to LIs, 15 pixels. Okay, looks better. Border bottom, 1 pixel, solid, white. Okay, looks much better. Now we have these delete buttons here. I'm going to add position relative, and I'm going to create task list UL LI delete button class. Of course, it's supposed to have position absolute, top 0, right 0, and let's try to add one here. Div class delete button. Okay. X. Okay, looks good, but we need to give some style to this button. Width 45 pixels, height 45 pixels, background color E1, E1, E1. Let's try this. Okay, looks like we need text align center. Much better. And color 555, 555. By the way, you can write only 3 times. 555. Gonna work exactly the same way. Now let me copy this line and let's create some hover styling here. We only need to change background color. It's this one, 02A, 3B1, and color should be white. Perfect. Now let me copy this. Okay, looks good. Now let me actually change the X button here. Looks much better.